Hello, I'm Salman. I'm heading the design at A51 Finance. So today I'm gonna show you all the designs that we are preparing for the next version of A51 Finance that will be live soon. So let's start from the homepage of A51 Finance. So the tab will look something like this, where we will have a list of all the strategies to select from, and we have some most important metrics such as the TVL and profit and loss for each strategy, and fees earned since inception, and also metrics like what is the management fees for each strategy, which we will cover later in this design as well. So that's how it looks like. We have list of strategies that are available from different chains as well as dexes as well. So if someone comes into A51 Finance to create a strategy, so we click over here. So now we have this new design that allows us to see our whole progress throughout the liquidity provisioning, and as well as the advanced features that we are putting out live for the users. So the liquidity provisioning is pretty much similar to how it looked like in the earlier versions of Unipilot. So we start from selecting some token pairs. Let's say if I select ETH and pilot token, so and I select a fee tier, we have this pool that is available. So if I select this, I can actually choose from the different modes that we are launching, which is a pretty cool feature in the A51 Finance app. So we have different modes: bull, bear, static, dynamic, which Mubashir has covered early on as well. And for all these modes, we have put up details on the website as well. So we have a list of modes that we can select from that will be actually affecting our strategy directly. So let's say if we select static and we move ahead, we have a pretty similar UI as compared to the previous versions, but now we have some more better controls for each price range that we select. We have some pretty cool quick actions that we can choose from, the price change that we would like to see on each of the site, and also we have some features like setting price deviations for the liquidity positions, and we can select this for not only for single token but for both tokens as well, and we can define them into percentage changes, and this will also show us the price that we are actually putting into the liquidity. So we have rebase frequency as well, which we can select here. If we put 0, then it will be indefinitely be rebasing the position. Otherwise we can define the frequency over here as well, and we have these options to either compound or not compound the position as well. So let's hit the next button. Also we have some pretty good charts over the left side as well that will show us the liquidity positions, the spread over the price. So that's how it looks like. So now we have these options that allows us to publish our liquidity strategy over the strategies page on A51 Finance. That's why you see that we have this feature of making the strategy public or private. So if we select public strategy, then this strategy will go into the list of all the strategies that are available for liquidity providers to provide liquidity on the A51 Finance tab. Otherwise, if you want to keep a private strategy that you would like to allow only few wallets to pool into, then you can also select from the private strategy type as well. Then you have also customizable fees controls, like if you want to set up fees from like 0 to 20% for the management of this strategy, you can select here as well. Also, if you want to connect your Twitter so that people can reach out to you for the strategy, or either you can create a community over that as well, so people can actually see your Twitter if you connect it. So this is an optional step, of course. So that's how it looks like. So let's create a strategy. So before finally creating the strategy, we have ability to actually review all the details that we put into early on. So once we do that, we can confirm the strategy. Okay, so this is how the strategy page looks like. This is the same page that the users will be able to see for each of the strategy that is listed on A51 Finance. So all the details, all the relevant details are available. We will be adding some advanced insights as well to through which you can actually decide that which strategy works well for you. And not only this, you can also deposit or remove your liquidity from the same screen as well. So as a liquidity manager, as a strategy manager, you would like to tweak some controls afterwards. You have created a new strategy, so we have those controls as well. So let's say if you are the manager of this strategy and you want to change anything, like you want to change the management fees, or if you want to change some of the descriptions or anything else, let's see how it works. So this is the page for managing the strategies. uh, the journal tab shows you uh, it's stuff like strategy name, description. If you want to make the strategy type public or private, you can do it from here. You can also choose from the different modes. Like you can, if at any point of time you want to change the strategy mode, you can do that, and it will be reflected on the main strategy and will affect all the pooled in users as well. We have fees controls as well that allows you to change fees at any point of time. Also, you can define the address that you would like to claim fees on, which you can do over here. And if you want to readjust the ranges, you can do it from here. You can update price deviation, put in the rebase frequency as well. Everything is over here. And for the access control, we let you change manager address as well. If you want to select a new wallet to manage this strategy, you can do that and update it from here. And for private strategies, we have this feature that lets you enable whitelisting in your strategy, so that only a few wallets will be able to become a member of the pool or the strategy. You can also archive the strategy so that new users are not able to see on the A51 Finance's strategy list. And this will of course be on the chain, but it will not be available for the new visitors. So that's how it looks like. You can archive the strategy over here. And yeah, so this is the page for a single strategy, and I've shown you the manage strategy and the create strategy flow as well. So thank you.